Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a wig. Okay, so before we get into the how-to process, let us discuss the type of hair that we will be using today. Okay, so I bought 2 packets of straight weave that is cute by Milky Way, 100% human hair. So I got these 2 packets. See what the hair feels like. Yeah, actually feels really good. It feels smooth. Because I wanted 1B, but they didn't have any in the length 14-inch. So yeah, we got these 2 packets, and for the closure piece, I'm gonna be using this closure that I have there. I think it's from a Dominican brand, and yeah, let's get into bleaching the knots. I'm gonna cut this piece off. Okay, so I took the silk piece off, and this is what the lace currently looks like. Let me turn to the flip side. Currently looks like this. So what we're gonna do is bleach these so the knots are a little lighter. Let's get into the bleaching process. So I've got the bleaching developer at volume 30, and we are going to be using some bleaching powder. So what I like to do is let's pour some of the bleaching powder into the small container, and we're just going to add some developer. And we're going to mix that around. So it's kind of like a thick consistency, and that's how we want it. So we're just going to carefully apply this to the hair. I'm gonna cover this down and just leave that to soak for 45 minutes, and we will be back. So it's been just about 45 minutes, probably a little more than that. So I'm about to go wash this out. This is what it looks like currently. So I'm just gonna wash this out and I will be right back. So I just finished washing out the closure. Right now it looks kind of like this. Okay, so now we're going to put on this wig cap onto the mannequin head. This is the one that we're going to use today. It is one from Fan. So the wig cap looks like this. We're going to line up these 2 lines right here with the lines of the mannequin heads. This is the front, and then we're going to use the back here at the back. So the top of the head, this is my huge forehead right here. So now I'm just going to take some pins, like a T-pin. It looks like this. And I'm just going to pin the sides. I'll throw some in the back as well. Okay, so now let's pin our closure onto the mannequin head. I want it to overlap a little. And then I like to send this through like this. And then we continue doing that. And then we send it through again. Through. Okay guys, so I just finished installing the closure. I'm gonna take these pins out. This is what the closure looks like. I'm gonna take this out. We are going to move on to the back. I'm not gonna cut the tracks. So what we wanna do is pin this right here. And we're gonna sew that. Right now I'm just gonna thread a few needles so then sewing the hair onto the wig will be really fluent and I won't have to stop each time to thread the needle. To sew the tracks onto the wig cap, we're just gonna repeat the same process that we used to sew the closure onto the wig cap. So you guys are gonna just see me do this throughout the entire install. So once we get to the end of the wig cap, we're just gonna tie a knot and then fold the piece of track over and just continue the same process in the next direction and repeat. Okay guys, so we are finished with sewing on the tracks to the wig cap, and this is what it currently looks like. I didn't do it too thick. We only ended up using one packet of weave. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna try to touch up the lace, straighten the pads, and make it look more like scalp. So let's get right into it. First, we want to start by straightening the part. So you guys will see me use a rat tail comb to pull the hairs into the direction that I want it to go, and I'm just gonna pluck some of the hairs as the part wasn't looking too realistic. You guys can use a tweezer, or you can just do what I did in the video, but you need to be really careful if you're just gonna pluck it with your hands, as too much tension can rip the lace. Now we're just gonna go in with some concealer so that the lace looks a bit more like scalp. You can use the concealer that matches your skin. Now let's just create some baby hairs. We're gonna use this really short eyebrow blade to cut the baby hairs at the front, and you guys will see me shape them and mold them into the desired style with some mousse. Product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this helps you to make your next wig a little bit better than you normally would, or if it's your first time, you at least get the concept and your wig turns out perfectly fine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so y'all stay notified every time I post a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.